Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant Boss 2000 LE carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance and minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we have a damaged recovery tank drain hose and we got to replace it. Super simple. Get your hose clamp right here and loosen it. Now we can remove the hose from the machine, just like that. Get your new hose, reverse the steps, put it back on the machine, tighten down the hose clamp. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.